One of my favourite verses of the Bible is Philippians 4:13, and it speaks of Paul. He says this: I can do all things through him who strengthens me. And it means all things through ones who gives him strength. And that's what I've really experienced in my ministry, in sad times and happy times, that he's there to give me strength. I could do all things through him who strengthens me. And that's what it is, that Paul proved that in all circumstances, whatever the situation, that he could depend on Jesus Christ, who is the same yesterday, today, and forever. And I've really felt that strength in times of need, in times of sadness, in times of distress. I turn to this verse: I can do all things through him who strengthens me. It's a personal strength, and it's a personal belief in his Saviour, that no matter what the situation was, in Rome or whatever, he knew that he could depend on his Christ. And that's my strength, that's my hope, that it is a living hope. And he says, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. And sometimes we fall down because we try to do things in our own strength. But that's wrong. We should always concentrate and focus on his strength. And that's why it is one of my favourite verses of the whole Bible, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through him who does strengthens me.